Oh, hello everyone and welcome back to the fishing place. Wow, what a shit intro. Anyway guys, welcome back. We are on the Sib in the Mersey, targeting some Thornback rays. Our bait of choice today is squid and mackerel, and boom, we're straight into a fish. Feels like a lovely Raymundo. That's what we like. It's been here 2 seconds and you'd be like this. So we're coming up just to slack water now. So hopefully it's going to be on fire with the rays, on fire. But we're using a new rod today. This is the Attire, let me get the name right, Vertron, Super Voltron. Veltron, anyway, it doesn't matter. It's my dad's rod. I've robbed it out of his stores. And you know what? It feels absolutely fantastic. Oh, this ray is not happy. He's not a happy Raymundo, but tell you what, great fun. I'm so happy I come out. So fish one of hopefully many. Come on, let's get you in. There he comes. Do you know what? He's not even that big. He's just wrapped himself around me trace, which means it's powering him up. Come on fella, in you come, stop messing around, come here. Now the beauty about sib fishing, I find, you actually don't need a net. You can just lean over and grab it. Don't know whether you can see here, look. There, straight over, bosh. There's our beautiful, beautiful ray. I hate using a net on a sib, I hate it. On my rib, I used to have real trouble getting in and moving around the camera and stuff, but here, bring it to the side. Happy days. But there is a beautiful, beautiful female Thornback ray. Ready to watch this one swim back? Thanks for your support, my lady. Mwah. Happy days. Let's see if we can do it on the GoPro, this one. Ready? Off you go. Lovely jubbly. So we're actually fishing super duper simple today. We've got a dead simple running lead and about what, an 18-inch trace with a nice 4.0 on the end. Super simple. And then we've just got some mackerel with a little bit of squid strapped to the side. Now we're going to take that off, and there we go, just wrap it round with our bait elastic. Get that all the way round. If you don't know what bait elastic is, you need to know what bait elastic is, so I'll tell you. It's basically elastic for your bait. It's what straps your bait to your hook and keeps it all together and keeps it all nice and streamlined for you. So there's our bait, super simple. Little bit of mackerel, little bit of squid, barb sticking out. I wonder how long this one's going to be in the water before we smash out another ray, eh? Love it! Oh, I do love being out on the water, I really do. Oh yes, feels like a lovely ray. It's holding down. It's holding down. Let's have a look at your sonny Jim. Here he comes. See him circling, that's how you know it's a ray. Circle at the back. There he is on the top of the water there. Absolutely beautiful. Right, let's get you in, son. This way. This way, please, sir. This way. Don't need a babby. Don't need a babby. There we go. There we go. Job's a good one. We got the hook out. We're happy. Beautiful little Raymundos. Have a little look there, guys. Look at them eyes, absolutely fantastic. Big thorns on them, lovely thorny tail. Just little dinosaurs, aren't they? Absolutely beautiful fish, these. Beautiful fish. But number two, how many more are we going to get in the next hour? Happy days. Thanks for your support, my lady. So we're on 2 casts, 2 fish. You will have to excuse how I'm dressed today. So I've got a UV hood on and my hat and my glasses. It's because I was out on the Sib 2 days ago, and yesterday I had sunstroke, I had a headache all day. So I actually don't care what I look like. You should know that by now, but I just thought I would let you know. Yeah, I'd let you know. But we're getting another little knock there straight away. Could it be 3 casts, 3 fish? We want to fish a cast here. Make a good video that, won't it? We can call it Fish a Cast. We like that. We like that. Here we go. Raymondo. Oh, feels a bit better this one, guys. It really does. Raymondo number 3, guys, number 3. Here he comes. Here he is. Here we go, guys, ray number 3. Lovely chubby, there's not as many thorns on him, to be fair. And this one's a male. Look at his big juicy giblets. Lovely jubbly. Thanks for your sport, my lady. Here we go, another Raymondo. Oh, go on, son. Oh, he's just come off. Oh, I think he's just come off. Well, we've been out for officially an hour, and the helicopter's coming over. Well, we've had 3 rays. 3 rays. I honestly thought we'd have a ray of chuck, to be honest. I really did. But it hasn't been a ray of chuck, but we don't mind. We're having a beautiful day. Absolutely beautiful day. I want to show you my new freezer box. Have a little look. See that? Proper bargain, that. 30 quid off Amazon. So if anyone's looking for a freezer box, perfect size for your sib 3.4, Amazon. 32 litres, I think. Or 30. Yeah, 32 litres I think it is. But there'll be a link in my description if you just want to see it. But it's an absolute belter. I just freeze bottles of water and throw them in. It keeps everything ice cold, and then I'll bang them back in the freezer. But yeah, having a belter day today. Sunstroke yesterday. Hope I don't get sunstroke tomorrow, but I'm sure you'll find out if I do. Oh, why was I born ginger? Why was I born ginger? He comes to the singing. Fish number 4. Oh, he's holding in the tide. Come on, get up, you. Get up, will ya? Here he comes. Here he comes. It's the only thing. When you get the big rays on, well, I say big, this isn't very big, but when you get the rays on in the tide, they open up the wings, and when they open up the wings, they just get that full power of the tide with the muscle that they've got in them as well. With the muscle that they've got in with them as well, that didn't really make sense. But you know what I mean, doesn't really matter. Got all that may rot as well, horrible. Here he comes. Here he comes, skimming on the top. Good job that wasn't a big one. That would have been hard to get in there. Are you coming up? Are we just going to lift you? You're only a babby, aren't you? Here we go, little baby male. Here we go. Let's get you unhooked, son. Now the hook's not even in it now, it's just biting onto it. It's just biting onto the hook. Here we go, here we go. He's out. Another beautiful male there, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Fish number 4. We said we were coming out for the rays, and bosh, we're on the rays. Thanks for your sport, me lady. Mwah. No doubles yet. I really thought we'd have a double today. Well, we'll have another cast and see if we can get one. Just beautiful fish, them, aren't they? Absolutely beautiful. Guys, should we have one more cast? Should we do it? Let's have one more cast, call it a day. Nice little couple of hours on the sib. Perfect. Are we going to make this fish number 5? Come on. Fish number 5 incoming. Gotta be, Annie. Gotta be. Go a little bit slightly bigger and a little bit fatter on the bait. We're going to use a squid and a squid head paired with a nice chunk of mackerel. Now I would usually make this a lot thinner, but last cast. Nice big fat juicy bait. Let's see if we can get a nice big ray on it. Bigger than what we've been catching anyway. Get that all wound up. Leave that header dangling. Take it up. Whap it round. Get our squid head. I didn't really want that to fall off. Put our squid head on. And then wrap the top of the head around. Try and get all these little bits that are hanging off whipped down, because if you don't, the water will catch them, and then before you know it, you will have tripped your lead. So there we go. Happy days. Straighten that off, and there's our beautiful ray bait, ready to catch our last ray of the day. Go, just upside that a little bit, let it hit the deck, give it a little bit of line and lock it off. Lovely jubbly. This is the reason you've got to be super careful when you're out on the Sib or out on your boat on the Mersey. If you have a look now, this is a tug that comes past. Now these create an absolutely massive bow wave. I think he's slowing down a little bit for me. Or am I lying? I don't think he is, but have a little look at this. Now what I'll do is I'll leave the camera rolling so you can see the wash that it gives me. I've had a lot worse washes than what's about to come, but this one's going to be a tasty one, I reckon. It could be, or it might get killed by the tide, but yeah, it can be a bit dodgy. It can be a bit dodgy, but with being in a Sib or a rib, it'll just ride the waves. It's fine. Just get yourself low, don't worry, just hold on, just make sure you don't stand up when that weight comes. Here we go. It can be a lot worse than what we've just had then, so that wasn't bad at all, to be fair, but wasn't really a good example, but it was still an example, to say the least. So you've just got to be mindful. If you were stood up and didn't even notice that that had gone past, you would probably have got thrown in, so just be careful. And there's them dolphins in they're right in the distance. They're going right down the centre of the river, so I don't know whether we'll be able to see them on this camera. I don't know whether it's good enough, but they are drifting right down the river, coming up. Lovely, really small porpoise, dead cute. Love all that. Weather has gone absolutely beautiful, just like it was forecast. Do you know what, if I could stay out longer, I really would, but we come out for an hour and a half just to ping out a few rays, which is nice. We're on ray number, I think we've had 4. Like I say, this is our last cast now, so we'll see if we can make it ray number 5. I really thought I was going to get a couple of double figures today. I really did. It's a really nice venue for double figure rays, this, but only the small ones have made an appearance. But you know, can't complain. Tell you what, you think this was a totally different river than what it was this morning. It was with ice horses everywhere and it was blowing an absolute gale. But last cast, hopefully it's going to be a big, nice, fat double figure ray. Well, last cast Saloon didn't really pay off for us, but we're not too fussed. We had a nice couple of rays, a nice couple of hours there. We didn't expect to get out today, and we got out, which is a belter, to be honest, absolute belter. Right guys, if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to drop us a little subscription there, it'd be massively appreciated, and we'll see you on the next one. Toodle pip.